Beneath the ocean's surface, an ambitious engineering challenge begins. Before any construction begins, the ocean floor must be carefully understood.
With the route defined, construction can finally begin. To build beneath the sea, the ocean floor must first be made stable. A stable road begins with a perfectly prepared foundation. The foundation carries everything that comes next. Segment by segment, the underwater road takes shape.
To survive beneath the sea, the road must be fully protected. Before completion, every detail is carefully verified.
Engineering makes the impossible part of our world.